Today we're going to talk about energy and momentum. And there are a couple of different kinds of energy, two main categories we're going to talk about: kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy is simply the energy of motion. If something is in motion, it has energy, whether it's moving straight line, moving in a curve, rotating, whatever it's doing. If it's in motion, it has energy. And so that's always kinetic energy. The other kind of energy, potential energy, is stored energy. Energy can be stored in a battery, it can be stored in a spring, it can be stored in a gravitational field where we let this do work on its way down. Momentum is the other concept we're going to cover, and momentum is a function of motion. You do not have, well, you have zero momentum if you're not moving. If you are moving, you have momentum. Now you still have inertia if you're not moving, but if you are moving, you have momentum. Impulse is not suddenly deciding to buy something online. Impulse is force applied over a time that causes a change in momentum. And finally, we're going to cover conservation of energy, conservation of momentum. We'll find that conservation of energy is always conserved. Let me put it that way. But within the systems we can look at, we can't always account for all of the energy that's in the system. In particular, sometimes there are frictional forces or other non-conservative forces that make it difficult to account for all of the energy in a system, and we'll group those into non-conservative forces. And momentum, though, momentum is always conserved. Even if energy is not conserved in a system, momentum is.